Hey fam, it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and today I'm coming to you with as you can tell, a Dollar Tree haul. I wanted to kind of show you guys. I've had a lot of questions about what all I buy during my meal prep weeks for as far as food items from the Dollar Tree. So without further ado, let me just hop right into it. I'm going to cover, I do have some items that are non-food items. I'm going to cover those first, okay? So the first thing I want to cover is I picked up this Samurai glass screen protector, because you guys, the other day I dropped my phone and I had a screen protector on there. How about the phone cracked but the screen protector did not? So anyway, I had to order another phone, and with ordering another phone I needed to get another screen protector for that. So I picked this up from the Dollar Tree, and then I have the iPhone 7, so luckily you can find a lot of phone cases at the dollar store to fit most of the phones that are out now. So this was, I got this, it's a teal peacock blue color, and I have this really cute peacock from another phone case that I'm going to adorn this with. So yeah, pick that up for that. And then I'm doing some changes in my master bedroom. So we have, Love and I have phone chargers, tablet chargers, lamps, and all that good stuff. So I got this, it's like the little plug-in deal. I saw these there, and you plug them in and it gives you 6 outlets for each plug-in. So I thought that was really convenient to have. So I got 2 of those to go on either side of the bed to cover the to handle the hassle of trying to find space to charge things up. So got that. Now I'm gonna go into I have some more items that are wedding related, so I'm gonna do a separate wedding edition haul from the Dollar Tree. So I won't go into those items, but I do have I picked up these toasty, they're the Lance brand, the peanut butter crackers. Again, I like to prep things that we can just throw in our lunch bags and, you know, just on the go. So then I got the Lance, the I love these cookies. They're also peanut butter. Anything with peanut butter, my loves them. So I get those for him. And then again, I always stock up, you guys, on the cars, the sweet and salty. So I got 6 packs of those. And then I'd seen someone else, I think it was Kimberly with Diva Designing on a Dime. She hauled these the TGI Friday potatoes. But this one is a sour cream. It's the mashed potato kit, and like she said, anything that's name brand, I like to definitely get that because you don't often find those at the Dollar Tree. So I grabbed a couple of those for dinner, for one of my meals preps for the week. Then they had the Hunt's fire roasted tomatoes. I like to use these in my spaghetti, so I got a couple of jars of that. And then they had the Hunt's traditional, but had traditional and several other flavors, but I typically like the 4 cheese, but they didn't have those, so I got the garlic and herb, and then I got the traditional for my spaghetti. Can't have spaghetti without garlic bread, right? So I picked up my handy dandy, my trusty. I love, you guys, I think I mentioned this in my Dollar Tree tag video. I'll try to link that in the description box, but this is one of the things that I always get there because they always have it on stock. And then for snacking, they had the Lay's the baked chips. So I got 3 different flavors. I got the sour cream, barbecue, and then I just got one of the plain, so we can just throw in little Ziploc bags or sandwich bags and just have a little snack on the go. And then I think I also talked about my Jenny O turkey burgers. This is a good go-to, you know, the time of the week when it's hectic and you just want a quick meal. Well, I always go for the Jenny O turkey burgers. I picked up all that they had in there. They had 8 in there, so I got all of those. And I know that I'm going to do steak one night this week, I think Friday night. So for steak night, I got the Heinz 57 and I got the A1 steak sauce because I like one, he likes the other. So that solved the war of the sauces. But that is that. And then I went to this other little spot. It's not the Dollar Tree, but it is a dollar store, and it's a little jewelry store. So I'm making some changes in my guest bathroom, and in doing those changes, I wanted to uniquely adorn the towels in there. So I saw these really cute, it's not too much of a glare, they're like wrist cuffs, like for a bracelet, but I'm going to use them to adorn my towels in my bathroom. So I'll do a guest bathroom tour once I get that room completed, but I wanted to show you guys that. Now I will showcase these because this is not, it's event related, but it's not wedding related, but it is from the Dollar Tree. I am working on a mermaid themed baby shower, and the colors are going to be like the like a purple and turquoise. So I'm gonna DIY some napkin rings and some little chair sash little clips or whatever. So I've got 6 of these to do that event. And I know this is a quick haul, you guys, but I had a lot of people asking me about food prep items that I get from the Dollar Tree. So that's all I picked up this week. But yeah, that's all I got. I'm looking to see. That's all I got from the Dollar Tree. Everything else is Walmart, whatever. But if you have not already, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to interact with you. I would love to have you as part of the TMB family. And again, I will be showcasing some more DIY videos a lot. I'm actually about to do a wedding series. So if you want to see all of those DIYs, subscribe so you'll get, and hit the notification button so that you'll get first dibs on when those videos are posted. And then I would love to hear your comments, like, share, all that good stuff. I'm also active on other social media sites, TMB Designs 2. Facebook as well as Instagram. So until the next video, you guys, you stay blessed and have a beautiful day. Smooches.